Welcome back guys to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you what I bought for my living room. Let's see what is this. This is, how we say it?
Hanging swing chair.
Hanging swing chair, yes. This is hanging swing chair. Let's unboxing it. Guys, let's see. I didn't see it yet, but we're gonna see it together. Let's open this chair. We don't need to. It's I bought it black color because, like you see, my living room is like white and black, and I wanna take something like black. Oh, what is this? Open it. Oh, I already see. Oh, nice. Look here what we have. Pushings, yeah, it's pushing. Yeah. I think this is gonna be, oh my god, this looking so cute. I wanna sit there. Do you wanna sit there? This chair is big enough. This swing chair, or how it called. Hey, what do you think? This is big enough?
I think that's for me.
She's thinking that I buy it for her, but it's for me. Okay. We don't need to scratch our new chair. Okay, look guys, look here. We're gonna open it together, and after I'm gonna show you my impression of the chair. I'm gonna open it and we're gonna continue. Okay, this is one piece of our chair. We have two other pieces. Let's show what pieces is this. We have this ring where we're gonna put the base of the chair, and this one, it's gonna hold our chair. It's around 2 meters. We're gonna put it like here inside and like this. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna show you like our final product. Let's do it guys. Okay guys, we have these things. We need to put it there inside. Let's see if we can do it. We need to put first, I think, this one, and yeah. Calm down. Down. Yo, and put it like this. Oh, turn. Oh, I find it. Where is the other hole? Okay, yeah, that's it. Like this or like this? No, like I think like this. Okay.
You're going to try first.
I'm going to try first. Oh my god. And we need to put this one. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. This. And we need to put it on what? Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Whoop. And Come on, you can do it. Oh my god, yeah. Let's take this off. And this. And ta-da!
Wow.
How it's look like? Let's put our pillars and I'm gonna show you if it's comfortable or not. Let's take a seat and let's see if it's comfortable or yeah. Whoa. Ah, yeah. The perfect. Guys, this is a perfect for relaxation. You can play with your phone here or do your job with your notebook or something, or even you can eat something, you know, put something here and eat. This is a perfect place for relaxing, guys. This is very good product. I'm happy to that I bought it, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.